watching some more videos and stuff like that, especially on Korean natural farming, things of that nature. There was some talk about sauerkraut and kimchi sauce, or liquid coming from it, being used almost like an inoculant. That I thought, what the heck? So went by the store, and while grabbing some of the things, I grabbed some sauerkraut and I grabbed some Cleveland kimchi. Um, so it is store bought, but it's supposed to be fermented, and I'm just kind of curious what it looks like. So we're starting off at 40x and do a quick sweep. Get my bearings again. Don't expect to see anything really significant at 40x here, because it's not soil, it's fermented. And if we can see something moving at this level, I might actually be worried. But fermented food's basically good as a probiotic. See little pepper flakes in there and stuff. Ginger, all the different things. Basically like organic matter would be in the soil. And I'll do a separate video with the sauerkraut. Then I might do one with some EM or EM Pro from Terraganics. Probably need to do a pH on this. Before I put the video up, I'll do a pH test on this and see what the pH is and add that in the notes. Okay, nothing spectacular there. We'll start back at the top. We'll go from 40 to 100. Always get backwards. I need to figure out how to level that stage, because as I go left to right, I'm always having to redo it, and that's only 18 millimeters. It may also just be the thickness of the, because I mean this liquid, obviously I didn't filter it. It's got some particulates in it, and so it may be a little bit thicker. In some levels. I'm not really seeing anything at 100. Let's go to 400. And it is at room temperature, so I've eaten some of it, but it's at pretty much full room temperature. What say you? What do you see there at 400? And I'm going through, it's pretty thick. So I'm going, from the top, back down through the bottom, different layers. You can see a little bit of movement. Okay, let's see if we can do 600. I think I'm seeing some little bacteria there kind of vibrating, moving just a little bit, but there's nothing like, running across the screen. Again, this is kimchi. This is a fermented food. This is not soil. So just out of grins. Yeah, stop and restart the camera again. For some reason, my computer going in USB loses the camera, and then I have to turn off the camera, turn it back on, let it find it again, and start it over. We are still at 400. Go back to 6. I'm seeing some movement there. Maybe the light's heating it up a little bit. But again, this was refrigerated when I bought it, and it's been 2 or 3 hours. It's at room temperature now. Has been for a little bit. I'll check the pH. Put that in the note. But just in case you've ever wondered what kimchi looks like under a microscope, or at least this Cleveland brand, not necessarily homemade. It doesn't show any ingredients, any preservatives or anything. Cabbage, mustard greens, apple, garlic, sugar, carrot, green onion, salt, red pepper, and ginger. That's what it's showing as the ingredients. No preservatives or anything like that. One of these days I'm going to print off some dark field filters. Might be kind of cool.